Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how can I ensure the authenticity of users' identities in a virtual data room. Ensuring the authenticity of users' identities in a virtual data room VDR is crucial for maintaining the security and confidentiality of sensitive information. Here are some best information about Here are some best practice to help you to achieve this. Users authentication. Implement strong user authentication methods such as multi-factor authentication (MFA). MFA requires users to provide two or more forms of verification before accessing the VDR. User registration. Carefully vet and verify the identity of each user during the registration process. This might involve collecting legal identification such as a driver license or password and verifying it against official records. Role-based access control (RBAC). Implement RBAC to ensure that users only have access to the specific documents and folders they need to perform their job functions. Assign roles and permission based on user responsibilities. Secure invitations when inviting users to access the VDR, send the invitation to their official email address and use secure channels for communication. Avoid sending invitation via unencrypted emails. Document watermarking. Apply watermarks to sensitive document with user specific information such as the user's name or IP address. This discourages unauthorized sharing or printing of documents. And activity logging, maintain detailed logs of users' activities within the VDR, monitor and audit these logs for suspicious or unauthorized action. IP whitelisting. Consider implementing IP whitelisting to restrict access to the VDR to specific IP address or ranges. This can prevent unauthorized access from outside your organization. Secure file uploads. Use secure file uploads methods that include virus scanning and encryption to ensure that upload documents don't contain malware or other security threats. User training. Educate users about the importance of security and proper data handling practice. Provide training on how to use the video securely and report any suspicious activities.